Hey Steve, what are you doing?
Dude, it's comfortable back here, man. I'm taking a nap, bro. You're right, it's the best.
Best of the best.
Yeah.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back and welcome if you're new. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a game-changing air mattress that's for your car, your truck, your SUV, even for your house. It's awesome because it fits the moms, it fits the pops, it fits the kids, and even your dogs. So if you have any of those, this is going to be the mattress for you. Whether you go camping a lot, whether you go overland or anything like that, like I said, this mattress today, it's going to be the one for you. I really like it like crazy, and I'll show you why in a minute. Let's go ahead and stop talking and just show you what it is. Alright, so the mattress that I do have today, which is a game-changing air mattress, I'll show you all the features that it has and why it's something that you would really want to buy if you do a lot of truck camping or anything like that, even if it's in your vehicle. So the mattress that I do have today, it is the original Airbedz. It is from PITTMAN Outdoors. If you do want to purchase it, go ahead and check out the description box below. So it does come with the travel bag. I've used it many times, so that's why it's already in the travel bag. I've tossed the box away. So let's go ahead and open it. What's cool about this company is it does come with a couple little things inside the box. It's awesome because, like I had stated in the beginning, it's for any car, any truck, any SUV. You won't be disappointed. So inside the box, it does come with a patch. Of course, the coloring that you do get for the mattress, mine is a camel. That's why it looks like this. But it comes with the patch if you need it. It comes with its own charger. You'll see why. It does come with the manual air pump. And here is the mattress. And if you do notice, there is a separate one over here. So I'll show you what that's for in just a little while, but you don't 100% need it, but it is cool because it comes with the kit that you do purchase. So let me go ahead and roll this out, show you how easy it is and how long it takes, and then I'll explain to you a little bit more on the extra stuff it comes with. Alright, so as you can tell, it is laid out now. One thing you do want to take note, and this isn't only with this one, this is with any air mattress that you do go with, of course, but like I said, I highly do recommend purchasing this one. But you do want to go ahead and clean out your bedside. If you do have a blanket that you can put under, go ahead and do that. It's always better to be safe than sorry. You don't want this to get punctured or anything like that. This company does make different models. They have, of course, their entry level, and then they have a different one, and then they have the best awesome looking one, which is the one that I have today that I'm showing you guys. The cool thing about this one that's, like I said, game changing is you don't need no cords at all to blow this thing up. And so the cool thing about not having any cords, this exact battery, it gives you up to 3 to 4 inflates without having to recharge it. Like I stated in the beginning, it does come with a charger, so eventually you are going to need to charge it. But once again, the cool thing about this, you can go and inflate this 3 to 4 times without worrying about a thing. So you're going to notice back here, there's inflate and there's also the deflate mode. Let's go ahead and inflate it and just see how long it takes. Yeah.
Like a minute.
So as you can tell, that was a pretty fast inflate. And if you do want to go ahead and deflate it once you're done with it, of course, it does have a deflate mode directly on it. One thing that I do really like about this thing is, of course, this cool little battery feature. Like I said, it gets you 3 to 4 pumps out of it. And it's awesome because you don't need no wires or anything like that. I know on my 2018 Tacoma, it does have a plug-in to the bed, so you can plug something in, but not every vehicle has that. So this feature here, I think they did really well on that. I mean, it's for any car. Like I said, check out the description box and you'll see what I'm talking about. It's freaking, it's awesome. So the next thing that I really do like about this is, as you could tell, it uses the whole bed of the truck. If you get any universal type of air mattress, it doesn't go around the wheel wells. For this mattress here, it does go around the wheel wells, and it doing that just allows for a bigger bed. So I'm tiny, I'm 5'5". I'll go ahead and demonstrate right now and I'll get inside the bed, but I'm small, so I could fit maybe one or two other people with me. If you do have a 5-foot bed, they do offer one more thing that it comes with. It's included in the package. It does come with this extra little thing, and of course you grab your pump and you can pump it up through here. Once you have it pumped up, you're gonna notice on this side there's a notch here and there's a notch here, and those just lock into this and lock into this, just like that. Of course, it's not inflated, but once it inflates, it goes all the way. So if you're a bit taller, it is going to work for you. Of course, right now I do have a soft top camper. If you guys have seen my how to overland on a budget video, which I do have also a bed tent, you can go check that video out as well. That bed tent that I did show in that video is probably going to be a good combo to purchase with this actual mattress, because that tent does come all the way to the end of the truck. So it's going to be a full size bed, of course. Like I said, you could fit yourself, you could fit your wife or your husband, you could fit your kid in here, you could fit your dog. I do have the one that's a little bit more of the top of the line, which that one I do highly recommend it. But if you do want the entry level, there's nothing wrong with that. But with this one, I mean, you could literally drive a car over it and nothing will happen. I highly do not recommend it. It will void the warranty, but it's awesome to know that. You can even get a motorcycle and ram it. Oh! So to remove this section here, of course, like I said, I didn't inflate it, but you could inflate it. You just literally tug on it, pull out, tug on it, pull out. It's that easy to remove this. So I know someone's gonna ask me, hey Jesse, what if my battery runs out and I forgot my charger at home? Or even if you brought your charger and your vehicle does not have an outlet for you to charge it, don't worry about that. Like I said, the cool thing about this company, and I'm not getting paid to say this, I'm just being truly honest, it comes with this manual pump. So with this manual pump, of course, one, you can inflate this if you did get the one for the 5-foot bed. And two, you can also inflate your actual air mattress. So if you still need to use it and you ran out of battery, it comes with this included. Yeah. If you guys a real life demonstration, I'm gonna go ahead and lay on the bed really quick and just show you how it looks as for me. So as you can tell, I mean, sitting down, it's perfectly fine. It's awesome because I can close my tailgate now and then lower down my camper shell, of course. So I'd be nice and secluded in here. If you are taller, I would recommend maybe getting a bed tent. Like I said, if you haven't seen that video, it's in the description box below, so you could see what I'm talking about, what a bed tent is. But this is awesome, no joke. It's seriously, if you guys were to feel it in person, and if you guys ever see me in person and I have this with me, I'm not joking. Please ask me, come up to me and ask me to feel it, because this does not feel like any other brand that I've tried out as for air mattresses. It's a lot more, one, like I said, durable. It's more comfy. I feel like this thing's gonna last me a lot longer. And yeah, there's different color options as well that you could get. I did get the camel one just because when I go camping, I thought it'd be like a cool little look, you could say. Alright, so one thing that I do want to take note on is, if you guys do remember in the beginning of the video, I had stated that this is also works for your house or anything like that. But you guys are going to be curious, because if you do get the truck bed one, of course, there's a cutout for the wheel well on this specific one. So if you do want to end up utilizing this for your house, maybe you have guests or anything like that, or maybe the wife or the husband kicks you out to the garage. I was just kidding, but of course, like I said, it has a cutout, but there is a special little thing that you can buy off their website that goes underneath there on both sides, of course, and it just makes it for a full bed. So I thought that was awesome of them to offer. So like I stated, this thing is super versatile. I'm not getting paid by this. I'm just seriously like, it's awesome. Right now, just so I'm not being biased or anything, I'm gonna go ahead and let my good friend Steve, which is behind the camera, give his honest opinions and thoughts on it.
So as Jesse stated, yeah, it is really comfortable, and I sitting on it, I can tell what he meant about it feels real thick. and that'll last them a long time. It does feel very like durable. Even when I lay on it, it doesn't completely collapse on me. It's like the plastic or rubber, whatever they make this out of, it doesn't feel like it's stretching, if that makes sense. And like I said, it's very comfortable. Like me, I do have like some back issues, and for camping, you know, like I love camping, but sucks with my back. I feel like I can go camping for weeks in this thing. I will say the only little con that I would have to say, it's not a big con, is right here over the wheel wells. There isn't like a lot of inflation here, I guess you could say. So say if you for some reason had to put 4 or 5 people in here, the people that are sleeping right here under the wheel wells, they are gonna feel it. But that's like, you know, worst case scenario. Like I doubt that's gonna happen that often. So if they made it like a little bit higher right here, I think it would be 100% perfect, absolute buy. But yeah, I think this is great. I wish I had a truck so I can buy this.
Everybody, let's sponsor them. Let's start a Patreon and get them a truck. Yeah. What about the battery pack? What do you think about that? You think it'll be good, bad?
Oh, dude, I think it's gonna be awesome because not everybody has, like he stated, not everybody has that plug in the back. Not everybody is gonna have that option. So if you're a smart camper, like right before you leave, plug it in. You're set for your camping trip.
As far as the bed extension, is it awesome? And do you also recommend getting a bed tent if they want to use that bed extension?
Yeah, I do, because I'm around Jesse's height, and if I were to lay down straight on this, yeah, my feet do stick out a little bit, but it's very minor. So I think with that extended piece, it'll be perfect for me. But if I'm alone camping, you know how to fix that? Boom, get diagonal. Look at that.
Yeah. What do you think about it being so versatile for any other vehicle, and you can even put your dog on there because, like I said, it is super durable? What do you think about that?
I'll trust my dogs on this. I wouldn't like. I feel like their claws and their if they were to chew on it, I think it'd hold up. Might not hold up as long if they were chewing on it, but like as far as like their claws digging into this, I think it'd be fine.
Yeah. So you're gonna get one of these for your Versa?
Yeah. Put it on the roof.
No, it fits directly in your rear seats. So if you guys do have a car or a Jeep or anything like that, check out the description box below because it does fit your car.
Yeah, I didn't even know this fit in the Versa. I'm kind of surprised about that.
Yeah, it goes directly inserted into your seats.
I'm about to see that. Hold up, let me go.
That's one thing most people did not know about this company, so that's why I keep stating it. Sorry if you guys are getting annoyed about it. I just think it's really awesome. I'm gonna go to sleep now because it's been a long day for us. So yeah, if you guys like this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to go watch my other previous videos. Once again, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe. See you guys next time. Peace. Links in the description for everything.